Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Quentin Ware, the fashion doll, and I am here to review another Barbie. I'm adding another Barbie to my collection, and today's Barbie is a cutie reveal doll. This is from the Jungle series, and I got the elephant. There has been, I think, 3 series. They're all animals, but this one is more jungle themed. And she's really cute. I got the black girl, of course. I saw her on some reviews. I was watching on YouTube and I was like, oh, I want a cutie reveal doll. And I like the colors of this one. When I was looking, I was excited when I saw this one. I definitely didn't want the monkey for obvious reasons. And there's like a tiger on here that's cute to me. But yes, let's look at the packaging. Here is the front. And then you'll see these cutie reveal dolls. They come with some extra accessories, but the little jacket that they're wearing turns inside out, I believe, so like they can wear it as regular clothes. So it says posable doll inside. I think they have a little more articulation than some of the other Barbies. And then here's the back. And again, Jungle series. So we have the elephant, the tiger, and then it almost looks like a toucan, and then a monkey. And Mattel, thank you for not pulling an H&M and putting the black girl in the monkey. Because, oh, the way the internet would have ate y'all up. And right before I open it, there's an element where if you put her in different temperature water, it looks like she either gets these hearts on her face and an eyeliner or eyeshadow, and then it kind of goes away. So that's cute. A lot of the cutie reviews that I've seen from watching other doll reviewers, I find them to be tacky. Like, I don't like the ones that you put in the water. I'm okay. But this was cute to me. And I'm just using an X-Acto knife, because it's like some plastic at the top. So I'm assuming after I do that, I should be able to pop this off. Yay! See how easy that was? Are y'all ready? Are you ready for the reveal? And y'all get to see it before I do. Oh, hey girl. Hey. Get into her face. She has little hooves. She has like the elephant feet. I kind of like the two-tone too, it's cute. Okay. She has hearts in her eyes too. She's really soft. And I like her little head. It feels plushy. Like her body, you could just tell she has something on, but this still actually feels plushy to me. Yes, okay. Are y'all ready for the main part? We're gonna take her head off. You wanna see her hair? This is this is like a RuPaul's Drag Race reveal, honey. Let's bring her up closer. Okay. Not her. Not her hair all tangled up around her head. Okay. So she has, oh, her face is gorgeous. Get into it, honey. Yes. And she has freckles. Yes, freckle. She's pretty. Her hair texture feels soft. This almost feels like some damn human hair or a wig. It feels a little moist. Okay. I'm gonna run and get a comb. I'll be right back. Let's comb her hair. I don't know why I done. That's better. I can't stand when they come out and their hair just look a mess. Okay. Much better. Yes. She's cute. Okay. So let's see what the rest of this outfit does. And then we can look at the other pieces. I have to take off the hands. And then I think y'all heard me say her jacket is reversible. So I think she just puts this back on. I'm just turning the sleeves inside out. Okay, so I think I mentioned to y'all that I know the basics of sewing, but I want to eventually make clothes for real. And I thought about making Barbie clothes. I think that would be so cute. But oh, these clothes are so little. I feel like it would be so hard getting your fingers through there, because that was just a lot doing it then. But this is her jacket. It's cute. It's like little leaves. They almost look like monstera leaves. Very cute. And then this is her molded on top when you take that top off. And I know we don't like the molded on fashions, but this one is not so bad. It's almost like a sports bra. It's cute. Do the pants have... Okay, we could pop the feet out. It doesn't look like the pants have Velcro, so I guess you just put up that. Oh, so it's like she has the whole little underwear set on under it. Okay, that's cute. I don't mind that. If you're gonna have something molded onto the doll, I feel like this is appropriate. It's her underwear. And then again, she bends at the elbow. She's supposed, oh, okay, I guess she bends this way. And then, oh, the arms go out, the legs go out to the side. They move this way. And then her legs bend back, like almost like a right angle. So that's decent. Better than a lot of the Barbies, child. She is very cute. She's giving my deal. Okay. Let's open the rest of her pieces that came in the box. So there's 4 additional bags. And then there's a poster, and I think this poster just has the other girls in the series. Yes. And this art is cute, but it just shows the other girls in the series, the Jungle series. And then on the other side is instructions. Just on like how to undress her, flipping the jacket inside out. Oh, and I guess even the eyes on the head, if you get it wet, it goes, like the eyes change. That's cute. I didn't know that. Okay. Let's open these packages. Oh, here's the little elephant. I saw it comes with the elephant. It just showed it sitting on the head, but I don't know what that's supposed to do. Oh, I guess the elephant can sit on the head like it's a bed. Okay. That's cute. I guess the children playing with this will appreciate that. Oh. They have some lime green sneakers. And lime green, this is one of my favorite colors. Let me do it like the beauty influencers. And then some sunglasses. And also in lime green. Those are cute. This is the 3rd package. Oh, this is her skirt. Okay, skirt, that's cute. I like that little color scheme. I thought it would have been more gray. I like that they added the lime green, so it's fun. Oh, see, I did it too soon. She has a comb as well. And I'm assuming this sponge is for when you put her in water. I'm not gonna put her in water on camera because I don't care that much about that part. Sorry. But let's get her dressed really quick. Okay, so I have a video idea coming up. And I'll just say it's Beyonce related and I'm excited for it. And this will be my first video that'll be edited. So yes. But it is doll related. So I'll let you put 2 and 2 together. But this is her with her skirt on. It's cute. It's a nice fit. Yes, it's cute. Let's put the jacket back on. Yesterday, so I've seen from watching videos on YouTube that people find Barbies in like Marshalls and TJ Maxx. So I've been stopping in them when I'm like in the area, and I found the Barbie extra that I liked in there. She was cheap too, but I got her because I really liked her fur jacket. But I actually think I like her in general. But I'll probably be unboxing her soon. But this is her with her jacket back on and the skirt. So her ensemble is coming together. You can leave that open or Velcro it. She's giving me like a little dancer. She's giving me fly girl. Let's put the shoe on. How can you tell? I don't want to put her shoes on the wrong feet. I wonder does it matter? Okay, that does look, I guess I'm wrong foot. Okay. Yes. Boom. Get into it. Boom. Hold on, let's do a half flip. Boom. Yes. She didn't do it like Beyonce, but she was close. And if y'all know the reference, Beyonce, Destiny's Child and Cater to You, they all do a half flip. But Beyonce's, oh, it's gonna be on her face, honey. Yes. I did that wrong. But let me fix this. She looks cute. Get into her sneakers. I like how they put the little slits on the back so that you can put them on easier. But they're giving me like a Balenciaga meets some kind of Air Max, like a Nike Air Max. And she has on her glasses. And her hair is actually like almost like a seafoam blue. It matches her outfit. But this is very cute. She went from mascot to model. Okay, I want to try one more thing before we finish this unboxing. I want to see how it looks with the pants still on. Oh, hold on. I have an idea. Oh, I'm so stupid. I put both legs in one pant leg. Bear with me, y'all. I am not used to putting on Barbie clothes. Some of y'all grew up doing this. You had the privilege of growing up playing with dolls. I couldn't. But for real, I really couldn't. So this is a little foreign to me. It's worse than dressing a child. Okay. Okay, see, she giving me a little fly girl action now. Okay, follow me, follow me. We about to make this real cute. . Bloop. With her shoe on, bloop. Okay. We got one more styling piece. I don't know if y'all used to do this. I still do it sometimes. I feel like Rihanna helped make it popular, but I definitely remember seeing it on Balenciaga runways. But when the girls have a jacket on, but they don't fully put it on, you leave it open like that so the girls can get into your clavicle. Hold on, let's close it. Because that's really what you do. Oh, get it to my shoulders. Boom. Her glasses came out. But she cute. She look like she about to perform on the stage. She ready for the main stage, honey. But yeah, she is cute. I'm glad that I found Miss Elephant. And you know, since I'm glad they didn't do the black girl dirty. Oh, she even has hearts on her lips. Really get into her face, y'all. Her screening is good. I don't see anything wrong with her face. Everything is intact. There's a seam everywhere. Yes, she is really cute. But yes, Mattel, if you're gonna do molded details on the doll, this is appropriate. This is giving me Calvin Klein underwear set. I like the little band that says Barbie. This is appropriate. Mold on the underwear if you're gonna do something stunning. How about mold on some strapless bras? How about mold on, stuff that makes sense? A pasty if the girls got on something revealing like that. Those things would actually make sense. But yes, right? She like, okay. Hold on, let's pause it. People, start your engines and may the best woman win. I love doing that pose with them. Yes, face card never did close. My God. But yes, we're gonna close out. Thank y'all for watching. Get you a cutie reveal doll. If you don't know about these or your kids don't have one, get you one. They have them they have them at Target, Walmart, TJ Maxx, Marshalls. I've seen them all over the place. They have mini ones too. And you can get a big girl and a little girl. But yes, thank y'all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share. And I will see you all soon on the next video. Toodles.